Racing Jazz is started. We have Yellow Cut. Break quickly to start. Moving a party. Now is the Top Notcher. Next online now is Amiga. Tarzan. Directors Diva. Silver Screen Persian Empire. Appointment comes next. Makisig. Tisay comes next. Then Power by Pearl Bull. Getting Better comes next. Then next online now is Lavish Love. While Mahiwaga now racing in lens. Racing down the backstretch, we have Top Notcher on its favorite position as the face setter, enjoying a 3-4 length lead. Amiga moving up down on the inside. Tarzan rushing upon the outside. Makisig, Silver Screen Directors Diva. Persian Empire getting better. Yellow Cat is down on the inside. Lavish Love. Appointment comes next is Pearl Bull, while Mahiwaga is still racing in 14th. Another far turn, we have number 13, and this one is Top Notcher. Is still in control, maintaining a length lead. Tarzan moving upon the outside. Amiga, Persian Empire as they swing for Rumba. We have Top Notcher. Tarzan is running by the rail. Amiga, Persian Empire, Lavish Love comes next with about 100 meters up the race. We have Top Notcher this time by about 3 lengths, and finally Top Notcher. Amiga, Appointment, then comes Persian Empire, Tarzan, Lavish Love.
There yan, number 13, Top Notcher. Unofficial winner natin, driven by AB Serios, banderang tapos. Doon na segundo, yung Dihaduron, 11. Amiga.